What a great and unique experience. We were met on time and got a bit of history and info on the emerald trade in Colombia as well as the importance of the stones in their traditional culture. After a short walk we arrived at the workshop and got busy designing and making our rings. When they say make, they mean it. Melt the silver, roll the bar out flat, create the circle, solder the ring closed, polish the ring, set the stone and polish the final product. At every step you are doing the work with guidance and coaching. I was skeptical, when I signed up for this experience, that I would be dying much more than choosing a design and watch/helping with to creation. I was completely wrong and loved the experience. I would do this again if I were in the area on a future trip. Louisa and I booked the ring-making workshop through TripAdvisor, and it was one of the highlights of our trip. You actually forge your own ring, together with experienced master craftsmen who guide you through every step professionally and with great passion. You also learn fascinating historical background about the art of metalworking and the materials used. The workshop is available in both English and Spanish, which is great for international guests. In the end, you not only hold a ring you forged yourself, but also a true keepsake for life. A special, emotional experience that we would do again in a heartbeat. Highly recommended. The experience is absolutely worthwhile from beginning to end. It's truly something you should do at least once in your life. The historical narrative that begins helps us remember our history, our goldsmithing roots, and the richness of our country. The process of building the ring is truly a do-it-yourself experience, but with the guidance and support of the entire workshop team, who are incredibly kind and answer all your questions. It was a beautiful and special morning where I was able to experience a truly valuable and interesting craft, from which I obtained my own creation. I totally recommend this if you love rings and are in Bogotá. Our tour guide and the masters at the jewelry store were patient, knowledgeable and friendly. We started the day at the meeting point. We grabbed a coffee there while waiting for the rest of the group. We had a great time making our very own rings, which we will cherish forever as we labored over at less than 3. You have the option to choose higher value emeralds or additional emeralds, and pay the difference, for your ring. My sister wasn't satisfied with her ring and we returned and the master kindly altered it for her less than 3. We had a wonderful morning at the workshop. Nick gave us a very warm welcome and a brief overview of emeralds and their history, in excellent English. Then we went to the workshop. The team was lovely, they helped us every step of the way and did the most difficult work. The jewelers are passionate about their craft, and it was a pleasure to talk with them. We are very happy with the result. It's a wonderful memory, both for the ring and the experience itself. Thank you to the whole team. Highly recommended. My partner and I booked the workshop in English and we were thrilled. We were picked up on time, learned a lot about the history of emeralds and the art of emerald making, and during the workshop itself, we were guided through each station and even got to try our hand at almost every step. Smile, the rings look fantastic, and now we have a handmade keepsake and a piece of Bogotá with us forever.